Hello everyone, in today's video I have the Good Days Factory Rejects Maduro. So I'm going to unband this here. It just has the cellophane and a red band that I thought that maybe I could peel, but it's not letting me up here, so I'm going to have to undo it from the top somewhere or over here. Weird. Very weird. I don't know, let's do it. Yeah, usually you can pull it apart from here. It's very strange. Oh, I get it from the top, I think. Just twist it, rip it open here. Oh, it looks like I got it from... Alright, so let's examine what the smoke's going to be like. Sweet vanilla honey wrapper, vanilla honey, Cocoa Krispies, definite Cocoa Krispies smell. With sweet mustiness also. Smells good. It smells like a dessert, like a chocolate Cocoa Krispies dessert. And really heavy German chocolate. Think of that light colored brown, but with a heavy sweetness. Think of the sweet German chocolate on the foot. Cocoa Krispies on the side, and German chocolate, you could say also. It is sweet. This is a sweet one, and it's already pre-punched, so I don't have to do anything. But this, I believe, is a Toro. Some might call it a Churchill, but I believe it's a Toro. Very sweet, cocoa-y chocolate, Cocoa Krispies taste through the pre-light draw. I'm going to get started on it. This is a sweet-natured cigar right here, from what it looks like. It's a sweet-natured smoke. Even the Maduro, I thought the natural was going to be sweeter, but this one looks like it's going to be sweet too. This is a more sweet type cigar, but it looks like it's burning an even nice burn right here so far. Alright. Nice, mild, sweet. Nice draw. A nice sweet balance of a mild Maduro tobacco flavor. The Good Day Natural now, I thought was a cross between a Macanudo, a Swisher Sweets, and a Trader Jack's. This one, I'm going to determine what this is a cross between in the upcoming videos I'm going to make. Retro Halos, very basic sweet dessert chocolate cake throughout. This is a very chocolatey, sweet type of Maduro. It's good. I can't say it's bad. But I don't know if it'll be one of my favorites either. So far, it's not proven to be. It's definitely not as good as the Canuco I had last night. So let's see how this develops. Yeah, I'm probably about 50 minutes in about right now. I didn't really want to make a long review on this cigar. Plus, I was on the phone, so it's one of those cigars you didn't want to really put too much into it. It's just a basic, sweet, alright tasting cigar, but it's definitely my least favorite of all the ones I've had so far. And I thought this was going to be better than the natural, but it really isn't. I don't think. It's a Maduro with the sweetness, like a heavy sweetness. It's not bad, don't get me wrong. It's pretty good, but I had to recut it, but it's been burning alright, I would say. A little bit of black pepper coming into the mix now. With a very nice flavors at this point right now. I actually like a nice black pepper. Not too much. A little bit of sweet honey. Maybe oil, like a fresh motor oil taste I taste in this. Like fresh motor oil. Now it's coming out pretty good. There's some decent flavors in there now at this point. You think this would get crappier as it went, but no, I just gave it an extra cut. The first half wasn't as good. The second half's better. The smoke output's good. Still that Cocoa Krispies taste slightly in here. That sweet chocolate. It's like the finely sweet, you know. But I'm also tasting other better notes in here also now. And it's starting to look like any cigar at this point. Burning even now on all sides now that I cut it again. It was plugged though. Some of these can be plugged and you have to just put a little extra into them. The whole cigar didn't suck terribly, but it's not one of the better ones that I've had either. I mean, the Canuco was much better than this one. That was on the level of premium, I thought. That was the same price as a Middleton's or this one even. I would say this cigar here is worth the $2 cigar. Probably double what it's worth. Maybe double $1. Maybe $2 for this. Maybe $3, depending on if this finish is great or not. So we'll see. It's not worth a whole lot though. The flavor might be better than $1, but it's still not much more than $1 either in the taste department. Like the Canuco was. I confused the Canuco for an $8 cigar after a while. Maybe a 10. But this one here, it's better now than it was. A little bit of coconut cream in the cocoa in here now. Tastes a little bit of coconut. Not bad. It's nice now. It's nicer than it was in the first half. I'll put it to you that way. The flavor's getting a little bit more bitter now. Overall, not a great cigar, although the second half at times was better than the first, I'd say. But now at this point, it's kind of just getting a little tasting kind of tart. Like not many pieces coming out of the end though here. It's pretty solid in that regard. It actually appears like a log fill cigar right here. Actually, it looks like Eddie cigar. burning more premium than it did in the first half. But I don't want to hear that fucking shit. Nice and sweet, with a little black pepper in here now. It's gotten a little stronger, but with the graham cracker taste and the Cocoa Krispies. Tastes a little graham cracker in here now. With Cocoa Krispies. So yeah, this cigar is going good. Burning very razor sharp. That's a good characteristic of it at this point. But I've had better cigars. The taste is getting more liquidy and tar-like. But some good notes too. That's the thing. It's good enough to keep me into it, but barely, I would say. Barely. Wasn't as good as the other three that I've had. And I'm on number 4 right now of the sampler pack. Trying one of each to start. It was packed okay enough considering. It felt squishy and soft as it was burning hot, like it wasn't packed well, but nothing indicating that now really at this point. So on behalf of Good Days Factory Rejects Maduro, talk to you later.